I hope you've enjoyed the progression clips of the decking. I'm so happy it's finally down. The carpenter's coming back later on today to finish off the caulking detail. So he's going to clean up the edges where it's been sealed, and then obviously you can see the little bits that need cutting off and possibly filling again. And then once that's all dry, he's going to come back and sand everything. And then I am going to be applying some boiled linseed oil to the wood. So hopefully it should all be finished in the next week or so, just in time for my 40th birthday. The bar's uncovered, although I haven't put stuff in it yet because we've had some really kind of crazy weather. It's really, really cold at the moment. It's -5 degrees this evening. We had a sprinkling of snow yesterday. So I did uncover all my bananas about a week ago, and I've decided to just cover them up again for the next kind of 3 nights. They'll probably be fine, but I just don't want to risk it. And also my bottle brush had started producing flower buds, so I've just covered that with a bin bag. I don't have any more fleece, so hopefully the bin bag will be okay. I've also covered my lily as well, which has started coming up. Crazy weather. It's literally gone from being 19 degrees a couple of weeks ago to snowing. I'm so pleased with how it's all looking. The carpenter's put a lot of time and skill into making it. It's a real statement in the garden, something a bit different, and it's going to look absolutely amazing when it's finished. I've also made a note of exactly where the screws are on the decking, just in case it ever needs to come up. Hopefully it'll be fine, but you just never know. So this will come in handy at some point if the decking ever needs to come up. So I'm hoping to deck out my bar next week, which I'll be filming. So hopefully the next video you'll see will be my bar all complete and also the decking. Thanks so much for watching everyone. Take care and I'll see you all soon.